Hi guys, today we'll try to perform emergency braking in Volvo XC40 using the electric parking brake. We will speed up to about 50 km per hour and without using the hydraulic brakes we'll be using only this button right here to stop the vehicle. We will also measure how much time it will approximately take us to stop the vehicle. Alright, let's go! Alright, the button has been applied. And there we are. As we said, we didn't use a regular brake, we only used a button, and it took us around 7 seconds to stop the vehicle. Also, keep in mind, today is snowing, that's why the road is icy. That's why it took a little bit longer. Now, since the emergency brake is currently being applied, to keep going we'll have to tap the gas pedal, and only after that the vehicle starts moving. To confirm our results, we'll do the second test. Similar procedure. As they go in 40, 50. Let's do it. The vehicle comes to a stop. As you could see, we used the system twice and we did not observe any damage either to the braking system or the vehicle. To sum it up, if your hydraulic brakes fail for any reason, you can still safely use the electric parking brake, which will be able to stop the vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was entertaining, and we'll see you in the next video.